Welcome to Laser Geek.
Decided to make this little short video. It's a razor blade, and I hope I set up the capture. I'm gonna grind it. Well, it's not a knife maker grind, but you know what I mean. And it's clearly together. See? I'm pressing. It doesn't break. So then I took it to the grinder, I ground it. Basically what I'm gonna show you, if the weld would be shitty, right? It's a shit weld. Then when I grind it up, it would break apart, but look. Okay.